Oh, watch out, Thomas. Oh, derailed. Hey, and welcome to Trains Are Fun. That's Trains Are. And we're going to have some fun. Well, in this video, I was going to answer a question from Tyler Scott about the little Gandy dancer over there. And actually, that is not a Thomas and Friends set. It's just a little old toy set made in Taiwan. And it's just this all one piece, and it's just attached to that piece of track. And it's designed just really to sit along the edge of the track. It doesn't even really connect, because the track is not really real track, and it's glued on there, Tyler. So that's what this is. It would be neat if that was actually a working hand car or a Gandy dancer. But it's just been sitting over there for no good reason. Just set it there. It doesn't really fit with a lot of the models. It's more of a toy. And because you can't, I don't like that you can't connect it or get it real close to the track when you set it on the side. But it's just one of the many little buildings that I have. I don't think y'all have seen most of those. I'm thinking about doing a video coming up where I show you some of the buildings and maybe add one or two. There's really not a lot of room on this table, as you can see. I'm thinking about doing a live stream, as we are way overdue for finishing the scenery. You can still see the old track diagram for the old layout I had on here before I redid it into this one. So yeah, I need to finish that. I need to finish putting the ballast on these Bachmann tracks. This is not Bachmann track, this is regular Atlas track, but I used the Easy Track here since it already has the built-in road bed. So I'm going to put my little another little section of track there, make sure I got my bumpers. I don't know if I'm going to put bumpers here or not, because you can't really do a train in that shed and one here, because they'll, when this thing turns, they both go. So yeah, I need to do a video about that. So what happened in the sheds. That's where I hide some of the duplicates and things in there. Alright, so anyway, I just wanted to answer that question because he had asked that a couple of times, what the Gandy dancer was. And that's all it is. It's not a real working Gandy dancer. It's just a little shed. They used to have these on the side of the railroad if somebody needed to run down and check something on the track back in the olden days, but not anymore. So they got the little trucks and stuff they use today. So anyway, oh, what happened to you? Thanks for watching that. I wanted to answer that question. Now enjoy a random crash. See you. Trains are fun. Why are you not moving? Uh-oh, watch out, Thomas. Oh, derailed. That happens sometimes. Let's try it again. Morton does not like you going so slow. That's much better, Thomas. Oh no, Gordon. Oh no. That wasn't good. Sometimes things don't go the way you plan. A day in the life of Sodor. Awesome.